Hey, what is up YouTube? This is Alex with another unboxing video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Blue Yeti whiteout USB microphone. So let's get straight to the unboxing, people. Alright, let's get to the unboxing, see what's inside. Okay. It don't have no tape, so I don't need my knife. Let's see what comes inside. Hopefully it comes with a dongle. Okay, a box inside a box. Nothing else in the box. Okay, here you need my knife. My knife away. Okay, the first thing you see is a USB cable. So it's regular USB to USB. You have a manual here. Let's take this out. Oh, this is more beautiful than what I expected to be. Let's take it out. Okay. Let's just see what else in the box. Okay, nothing else in the box. Okay, let's get rid of the box. Okay, so this is the microphone. It has a screw here so you can mount it. It comes upside down. Release the knobs. So as you can tell, it's about 13 inches tall. You can put it upside down, or you could put it any size you want. It's like a matted white finish. Here's your side. Just to let you know, it has like 3 microphones. One in the front, one in the back, and one like to the side. Here you could control the gain or the position which microphone you wanted to record. Over here you got the volume button, and then you got the mute button. Okay, we're gonna be testing now the sound quality. Right now I'm recording with my Rode video mic, so this is the sound quality. Now I'm gonna change it to, I'm gonna connect the Blue Yeti mic to see the difference in quality. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. So this is an unedited test of the Blue Yeti mic. Yeah, let me know what y'all think about the sound quality, people. Hey guys, so this was the sound test of the Blue Yeti. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video was helpful, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, people. I'll see you next time.